Hi everyone, this is Valentina and today I wanted to share how to crochet this scarf. This is long scarf in denim color yarn, and I crochet one skein of this, and this is approximately 25 inches long and 9.5 inches wide scarf. So definitely we'll need 2 skeins or maybe 3 of this yarn. So this is multiples of 4 for this pattern. I'm using multiples of 4 and I added 16 chain of 16 plus 3, so that's what you need, multiples of 4 plus 3 additional stitches to make this. So I try to make it very slowly so the beginners can work on this scarf as well. So let's get started. So you take your yarn just like that. This is the end. And now the hook, I'm using thicker hook, a bigger size. So you place your hook under this yarn, twist it just like that, hold here. Now wrap the working yarn on your hook, then hold right here and pull through that loop, and this is your slip knot, just like that. So now we'll make chain of 16 plus 3, total 19. You wrap your yarn like this and pull through, and this is your chain. So this is one. Now wrap again just like that and pull through. We have 2 chains. Wrap again and pull through. This is 3. So just work like that. 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 19, just like that. So now the first row I crochet all single crochet stitches. So this is the beginning, is not just a chain, it's just has more foundation to that. So you chain 1 and we're starting the first row, and now you skip 2 stitches, the first and second, and go into the third chain. So I skip 1 and 2 and go into the third, insert your hook under one strand, wrap the yarn just like that, pull through, wrap the yarn around your hook and pull through 2 loops, and this is your single crochet just like this. So now insert your hook into that strand, wrap the yarn, pull through, wrap the yarn again and pull through 2 loops, and just do like this the entire row. Insert here, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and make the entire row just like that. Work on the entire row to the end. Insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and just like that. And if you need to slower just to practice, so you can stop the video or go from the beginning and rewatch that part, so you can crochet yourself this scarf. Yeah, I'm just finishing the entire row just like that, and this one is my last stitch, so I insert just same as I did, yarn over, pull through that loop, yarn over and pull through 2, Now the second row I chain 2, so wrap the yarn and pull through 1, yarn over and pull through that loop to 2, and now we turn around the work, yarn over. So we'll skip two stitches, 1 and 2, and we'll insert into the third stitch and make double crochet. So wrap the yarn and pull through that loop. So now we'll wrap again and we pull through 2 loops, only 2, and leave on the hook, yarn over again, and we pull through 2, and we'll do the same thing into the same stitch. We yarn over, insert into that stitch, yarn over here and pull through. Now we yarn over again, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we'll chain 1, so wrap the yarn and pull through just like that, and we'll make 2 double crochet, wrap the yarn like this, insert into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now pull through again 2 loops and yarn over, pull through 2, and we'll make 1 more double crochet, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2. So now we'll do exactly same as we did. 2 double crochet, chain, 2 double crochet, so yarn over, and we'll skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and insert into the 4th, yarn over just like this, yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and again we'll do another double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, which are just repeating as we did right here, chain 1, yarn over, pull through that loop, yarn over, and now we'll make 2 double crochet again, 1, 2, and yarn over again. We'll make another double crochet just like that, 1 and 2, yarn over. We'll skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3 into the 4th, and repeat, 1 double crochet, yarn over into the same 2, in between we chain 1, yarn over again, make 1 and make 2. When we are done with this, we yarn over, we skip 1, 2, 3 into the 4th, and we'll work the same 2 double crochet just as we did already, chain 1, after 2 double crochet we chain 1, and again wrap the yarn, insert into the same stitch, 1 and 2, and another double crochet into the same stitch, wrap the yarn, pull through 2, and now pull through 2. Now we'll finish the row with 1 double crochet. So yarn over, and you insert your hook, you skip 2, and here is right here that you want to insert under the 2 strands right here. Insert your hook, you skip 2, and now yarn over and pull through that just like that, yarn over again, and you pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2, and we finished our second row just like this. So next row and all other rows will start the same as already we started as the second row. As this row, we'll do the same to all other rows. We start with chain 2. So yarn over 1 and yarn over, pull through that 2 and turn around. So now we don't need to count the stitches. We'll make 2 double crochet into that space right here. So yarn over and insert your hook into that space, yarn over again, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and we're making 2 double crochet. We made 1, we'll go into that same space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Now we chain 1 and we'll make 2 double crochet again into that same space, yarn over, insert into that space, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and again yarn over, pull through 2, and we'll make another double crochet just like we did already. Pull through 2 and pull through 2. So now we yarn over, we'll go into the next space right here, and we'll make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, yarn over again and make double crochet just like that, 1 and 2, chain 1, and we'll make 2 double crochet from the space, same space as we did already, and just continue like that, like this, the entire row. Yarn over, go into the next 1 double crochet, yarn over, and again we'll make second double crochet, chain 1, and we'll make again 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Yarn over, we'll go into the next one, 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, chain 1 and make double crochet again, 1 and 2. Now we'll finish the row again with 1 double crochet, so yarn over, and we'll want to insert the hook right here into very last stitch, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, and then we'll start the next row with 2 chains, 2, chain 2, 1, yarn over 2, turn around, and just continue as we already did. You make 1 double crochet and second one, now chain 1 and double crochet, and just continue like this the entire scarf. Very easy, goes quickly, and it gets very nice pattern. So thank you so much for watching. Please enjoy and please subscribe, and if you like this video, please give thumbs up. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video on my next project. Bye bye.